Are you looking for the best rowing machines for beginner? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best rowing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness SFRW 5515. Our top pick for the best home rowing machine for beginners, the Sunny Health and Amp Fitness SFRW 5515, is an excellent option for new rowers. This sturdy and foldable model has 8 different resistance levels and floor stabilizers for a challenging and safe workout. The handlebars are coated in foam, and the ergonomic seat is cushioned for comfort and to prevent slips. 2 non-slip textured oversized pedals have sturdy foot straps to keep your feet comfortable and in place throughout your session. A large LCD screen records time, count, calories, total count, and scan. 2 batteries are provided to get you going as soon as possible. When it comes time to store your rowing machine away, simply fold the machine, carefully lift it, and wheel it to your storage destination. This machine's magnetic resistance means that you get a great workout without the noise that can come with other rowing machines. While we love this machine, it is essential to note that the warranty only lasts 90 days. Overall, there is plenty of reason to get your new fitness routine started with the Sunny Health and Amp Fitness SFRW 5515. Give it a try for yourself and see if this rowing machine is right for your home. Number 2. Concept 2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. The most advanced entry-level rowing machine on our list, the Concept 2 is found in many homes and gyms across the world. This air-resistant style makes minimal noise and provides an exceptionally smooth rowing experience. The backlit LCD monitor tracks meters, pace, watts, and calories and has an adjustable smartphone cradle above it for convenience. Along with the variety of preset workouts, you can also compete online and look at online rankings. If you need to save your activities digitally, it is possible to keep your workouts on a USB drive for future use. It is possible to use Bluetooth to connect your ANT Plus heart rate monitor for optimal cardio tracking. In terms of construction, you only need to insert 8 screws to attach the 2 pieces. If you want to store your rowing machine, you only need to unscrew the same 8 screws to separate the pieces again. 2 different warranties cover the Concept 2. The frame is covered for 5 years while all the other parts are covered for 2 years. It is important to note that the resistance can feel a little weaker than other rowing machine models. The USB port can be unreliable at times, but trying again often works. Number 3. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness Water. Our pick for the best water rowing machine for beginners is another entrant on Amazon's choice list. The circular water resistance tank uses powerful hydro blades and to provide smooth and natural resistance. Algae tablets and a funnel are equipped to treat the 2 to 3 gallons of water in the tank. These tablets work for around 6 months, but we recommend cleaning the tank regularly to keep the machine in proper working order. Batteries are included to power the LCD monitor, which tracks time, 500 meter time, SPM, total strokes, calories, heart rate, temp, and more. The non-slip handlebars are comfortable to hold, and the padded ergonomic seat is comfortable to sit on for extended periods. Oversized non-slip foot pedals have nylon straps and are suitable for different sized feet. Rubber high-density wheels are perfect for helping you lift your rowing machine upright and against the wall for storage. Multiple floor stabilizers keep you safe and stable throughout the most vigorous workouts. Some customers have noted that the foot pedals could be more durable and that the Concept's customer service team can be challenging to deal with. Overall, the Concept 2 provides a high-tech and authentic rowing experience whether you live near a river or a big city. Give it a try and see how this unusual style of rowing works for your lifestyle. Number 4. Stamina ATS Air Rower. Another air resistance model, we consider the Stamina ATS Air Rower to be the best air rower for beginners. Available in 3 different colors, this basic foldable model is easy to use and has a smooth stroke. An upholstered seat, oversized pivoting foot pedals with adjustable straps, and padded handlebar keep you secure and comfortable throughout your workout routine. Anti-skid end caps stop your machine from moving around even during vigorous workouts. The large LCD tracks speed, distance, time, and calories, keeping things simple for new users. When storing your rowing machine away, you simply fold the machine in half and wheel it into the storage area. Some more experienced fitness fans may find this model a little basic for their tastes. However, we think this model is an excellent option for getting to grips with regular rowing workout routines. It is important to note that the warranty only lasts for 90 days and that the flywheel can be noisy during the workout. Overall, this is a great model for smaller folks looking to tone up and get into rowing without any of the bells and whistles of more expensive or fancier models. Number 5. NordicTrack RW Rower. The opposite of the previous entry, the NordicTrack RW Rower is full of useful bells and whistles for the tech-savvy. This inertia-enhanced magnetic resistance model has 26 resistance levels that can be manually controlled or manipulated by a coach. Coaches will only adjust the resistance during an online class. The 22 inches HD Smart Tech screen display quickly displays your workout data, iFit workouts, and other videos. With iFit, there are thousands of workout programs and options to provide variety and interest in your regular rowing routine. The console is adjustable to suit your height and angle preferences. Oversized foot pedals can be pivoted and have adjustable straps. An ergonomic and molded seat keeps you comfortable so you can focus on your posture and working your muscles. After a workout, you need to fold it and push it along using the front-mounted transport wheels when storing your rowing machine. In terms of a warranty, the NordicTrack RW Rower is covered by 3 long-term warranties. The frame is covered for 15 years, parts are covered for 5 years, and the labor is covered for 2 years. It is important to remember that there is an automatic charge for your iFit membership after the year is up. Some customers have found the customer service team to be challenging to work with.